Now available from Starkey is our Raptor-Style LED Grille Lights kit for the 2018 and up F-150. Follow along as we take you through the install for trucks with the XL, XLT, and Lariat grille. Remove the 14 push pins holding the radiator cover in place like so. It is normal for the 2 pins holding the air intake in place to be noticeably tougher to remove. Use a pair of pliers to remove the 5 push pins on the top edge of the grille. Decide if you would like to remove the plastic bar that partially blocks the center LED. We recommend removal as it is relatively simple and greatly increases the aesthetics once finished. Using a set of cutting pliers, cut the plastic bar in the middle. Then, use a pair of pliers to carefully pull each piece of the plastic bar off one at a time. You will find moving the plastic bar back and forth a few times will usually result in a clean break at the edge of the opening. Use a razor blade or file to carefully remove any leftover edges of the vertical bar. If you decide not to remove the bar, please note that the backside of the bar will need to be trimmed in order for the LED to seat properly. Slide the light bar through the opening in the grille, then using both hands work your way up to the top center of the grille. Now, pull the grille out slightly until a gap between the grille and shutter assembly opens and allows you to slip the mounting ears up and over the shutter assembly. Sometimes the U-nuts that come pre-attached to the light bar get caught on the shutter assembly and you have to work them until they slip over the edge. Using the supplied hardware, attach the light bar to the grille. Tighten the hardware snugly but do not over-tighten. Route the wiring through the top edge of the grille and radiator support. Turn your attention to the hose clamp on the airbox and loosen it with a flathead screwdriver. Then pull the rubber tube off of the airbox. Remove the 13mm bolt holding the airbox in place. Gently lift the airbox off and out of the engine bay. Unplug the parking light connector located behind the headlight. Gently pull back the electrical tape to gain better access to the wires. Using the supplied red wire tap, slide the wire color specified in the instruction manual onto the wire tap like so. Squeeze down on the wire tap cover, making sure it snaps closed. Then, plug the red wire from the light bar wiring into the back of the wire tap. Now, plug the connector back into the headlight. Use an 8mm socket or wrench to attach the black ground wire to the bolt shown. Test the lights for proper function. Then, reinstall all parts by reversing the removal procedure. Use zip ties to secure all wiring. The install should take you about 30 minutes to complete. Please read the instruction manual in its entirety before attempting installation. For more information, visit our website at starkeyproducts.com.